Hey, you're live.
Yay! Here I am at Framingham Makerspace, my first time on video, and I'm going to be, well, essentially making this piece as a model. So I'm going to make this piece look like this piece by scraping out all this stuff in here. A 3D printed part. You get to watch me. We get to be zen about it. So I've never done this before. I have no idea what I'm doing at all, and I'm just going for it anyway. I guess the most important concern I have is how sharp is that and how do I slice myself. So I took the well, that one seems kind of tight in there, but maybe I'm just scared. Maybe it requires a little bit of force and I'm being timid. Maybe I should start with an easier one. What if I started with one of these? No, you start with this.
Oh, flip it over and do the other side.
All right. So how do we know the difference?
This part here.
Oh, this part.
That'll be easy.
This is okay.
That's
this
just
part.
Like scooping out, jelly.
I want easy. Thank you so much.
You might
Scooping
try
out
the scooper
jelly.
end.
Oh, the scooper end. Scoop the jelly. See, I just want to get in there. Ooh! Oh, I did something! Yay! See, definitely start with this one. Yeah.
And just slide your hand a little bit so you're,
Oh, see how fulfilling is that? I could just do this all day.
Isn't it nice, right?
Success. See, having a little bit of encouragement and support always helps. That's why these videos are such a good idea. That's why I came down here. I was like, I saw one of the videos and I was like, oh! Dave needs help making videos. I'm gonna help. Because these are wonderful. Look at that. Make it edited. That's okay. I was just fantasizing like impaling myself and having it go viral. It's okay. Oh, now that's very fun going that way. Ooh, I like that. Let's try. Can you see? This is reminding me of Star Wars. I feel like I'm excavating a Death Star. With these LED POIs, in theory, I could program it to look like a lightsaber. Oh, I just got some 3D printer on me. 3D printed ship. Oh, look it. Oh, wow. Can I take out the whole... Now, is it okay if I can take it all the way out to that part? Oh my god, I just got it in my eye. Well, not really, but maybe I should be wearing safety goggles. I usually do with stuff like this when I'm in the garden, I'm wearing sunglasses, and then in the lab, always we had safety goggles. Like trying to keep, I don't want that to happen again. That was scary. It came too close. I'm very, 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 very sensitive about my eyes. You see, Dave's got safety glasses on. Well, they're the equivalent. Like, they're better than nothing. I got nothing right now. I just like...
We have safety glasses if you want them.
Yeah?
Yep.
Oh, I would love a pair.
Okay.
See?
Just
Safety
stop the video
first.
for a second.